This is the circle, Fowler Drive in New Milford, New Jersey, and Pacific Street. This is the cars going around. It's snowing, and it's going to snow until 7. It's at 3:30. At 7 o'clock it's going to turn into rain. This is Fowler Drive and Pacific Street. This is Daniel. Saluti. Ciao.